a view of your finance function, where it is today and where it could go tomorrow. This is very important to analyze, my dear friend, ladies and gentlemen. The finance is where today and where it could go tomorrow. Finance function or department is working as a back office department, generally focusing on the transaction processing and historical data reporting. The historical data reporting is the prime part of the finance function. Now, it is a big question here. The finance is going to work as a strategic partner, providing and building the support in the economical growth to the company. How the finance is going to support and deal with in these situations. Finance would be called as a strategic partner. And now the role of the finance, if you ask today, is limited to the historical data reporting. The way the business is rapidly changing, the way the business model and the new requirement is generating, how the finance is leveraging with the situations and creating a tremendous opportunities for the business. This is the role of the finance. Finance has to think today. When we talk about the existing workflow, what we are doing today in finance, what we are doing, the finance operation management, audit and taxations, legal and secretarial, MIS and reporting, budgeting and forecasting, pricing and decision making deliverables. Pricing and decision making deliverables is generally with the head of the department, head of finance, finance controller, CFO, you may be called. Rest all the parts are with the team. Now think about that when technology would be dominate. What would be happen to this department? Almost 50% or more than 50% of this job is going to be completely wind up. What would be happen in that case? Now the finance role is going to define a very big, a very large. Where we are, we have to find out how we are going to create the tremendous opportunities and providing and becoming a helping hand to the business. It is a big question today with the finance. Business and business support is not an option. Drastic changes is required to stay relevant in the business. To doing the business is not an easy deal. A more drastically changes is happening to become and stay relevant in the business. Like the same way, the finance has to also think that drastic changes is required to bring to stay relevant in the finance function. The finance is going to become a strategic partner, not as a historical reporting only. Many of the companies are asking for a strategic partner and a strategic CFO, a strategic finance controller. Why this is? This is because of the management of the company is having no interest on your historical data reporting. They wanted to know about that where the future would be. Today they wanted to know from the strategic partner how you are going to. This is a big question. Now the automations of the technology is going to be happen over the period of 1 decade. You will be find out that most of the technology has dominated the finance work. The more important and relevant point would be and how you analyze the informations, providing those kind of building support to the owner of the companies, to the shareholder of the companies. This is very important. This is a series of video I'm going to create. This is the fundamental which I wanted to present in front of you, that where the finance function is today. In this series, you will be find out then what new technology, what new innovations is going to kill all those existing work and bringing more productivity and sustainability in the business. How the finance is going to work as a strategic partner, what are the roles of the finance in that case, how the technology is going to support to the finance, that I'm going to discuss in the series of the videos. You must watch and refer to the persons who wanted to create more awareness about the finance or the future of finance, where it could be. Today, we are dependent on only an ERP system. Now, the technology is going to dominate. What would be happen in that case where all those informations are being prepared and processed by the technology? Think about it. The finance is not only a department, it is going to become a strategic partner with the help of technology, with the help of automations, with the help of transformations. Where you are, think about it and watch my next video. This is Ajit Singh signing out. Until we meet again, thank you. Thank you very much.